Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fallout New Vegas gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on Power, select Restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for Device Manager. Now here you have to expand Human Interface Devices, select your controller drivers. Right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, now try to launch the game and then check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, come back again. Here you have to select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is not working, issue is resolved or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once it is done, check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here you have to remove the device. For that, click on three dot icon, then click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then click on add a device, and here you have to click on everything else. After that, add your controller over here, and after your controller is added, now check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, try to launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Here you will be able to see an update option if there is any update available for the game. Update your game to the latest version, and after that, check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enter back picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here you can see enter big picture mode option. Click on it. After this, here you have to select the game and click on the play button. If the game is opening, well and good. Click on Steam option, click on power, and then click on exit big picture mode. Now after this, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, click on the download option. After that, go below, and here you have to click on the download option once again. After it is downloaded, you have to open it, download and install DS4 Windows tool, and after that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Fallout New Vegas game once again and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Fallout New Vegas game controller or gamepad not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.